Sir. Ready to talong dito. Tapos i-steam lang natin. Lusin lang natin. Korean food to, guys. Dapat kumukulo na. Gawin natin dyan. Steam natin. Steam lang natin hanggang sa lumambot. Gamit ko yung airpot. Maliliit lang yung hiwa habang pinapakuluan natin yung eggplant. Nipit na bawang. This recipe, guys, is so healthy. Very healthy. Set aside lang natin ito kung parsley, saka red yung onion, leaves, chili flakes, sesame oil, sesame seed, mix. Tingnan natin kung luto na to. Then, already na. Cool down lang natin. Itong, ano na to, gaganyanin lang natin. Lilipat lang natin. Gamit ako ng hand glove. Pat natin dito. Wow. It's very healthy, this food. Then mix. Wow. It's what I'm doing. This kind of food. It's very let's set. Guys, ready to serve na yan. Ready to serve. So, serve na yung ating steam. Diet.